Hey guys, it's Ben. Today we come into Nippon Nostalgic. Check out MICKS' new project. It's a Datsun 180B 610. Let's go have a look. Let me sniff the rats.
The rat, that'd be a good song title for like an 80s British heavy metal song, you know?
Sniff the rat.
Sniff.
Right, so he's already started pulling a few bits off over here, so we can start to see the extent of the rust, which is pretty bad. I don't know if this one's gonna be restorable. Probably just parts. It's got the L18 4-speed manual, the electronic dizzy. I've been eyeing that off. And here's Mick down here removing some chrome off the sill.
I'm just taking stuff off it so I can hose the rat's piss out of it.
Yeah, you wouldn't believe the smell. You can't quite stand over the engine bay yet. It fucking stinks like rat's piss. It is unbelievably bad. Inside's pretty nice actually. The door cards are all pretty good. The seats are a bit hosed, and that door card's not the greatest either. The dash is all there.
The dash pad isn't too bad.
How nice it is.
Like I mean, for what they're usually like. I mean, it's not good, but...
Yeah, it's like 120Ys. That's a good condition one these days.
Yeah.
Oh man, don't touch too much. What's she got on there? 24,000. Yeah.
Oh, 224.
Yeah, I reckon probably been around twice looking at this. Oh, the headline is still there. Vinyl roof. I think she's sort of been neglected since that run out. The first 2015. These door handles are fucking horrid. Look at this. It's like they took one out of a van, jammed it on there, and then thought, oh yeah, we'll add this bit here, that'll be heaps comfortable. Like, ugh. I noticed it's got the same ashtrays as the 120Y coupe. The back seat is a bit hosed in the top, but the base looks really nice. Bumper's not too bad. Lights are still good by the look of them. It doesn't smell too bad in the boot. There was obviously less rats in the boot than in the engine bay. Yeah, she's an interesting old beast. My grandma had one back in the day, but it was white with the black vinyl roof. Back then when I was a kid it was just a shit box. So like nobody ever thought much of it, but man, I wish she still had it now. I think she sold it and bought a Sigma, which was like just as much of a shit box back then, I guess.
Good thing about this car, it's had a good life, you know, like the lady got it off her father in about 95 and drove it until 2015.
Yeah, okay.
And, you know, she loved it, he loved it and looked after it.
Woo! The smell. There's some original paint. Here's some original rust. Oh, there's a bit. This bit's for sale if anybody needs it.
This is factory installed, that's on rust. I lifted Elliot heads.
Yeah, okay, so it's out on the coast. Yeah, they don't like copping the sea breeze, as nice as it is.
Oh, smells.
Hello, Mr. Rats.
There might be a snake in there or something.
Yummy, 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 I got... Ugh. Yuck. Oh, there's some creepies. Oh, run!
What's up?
Oh, there's some silverfish and fucking bunch of creepy crawlies. Oh yeah, twin ignition switch. Oh, I gotta back up. Oh yeah. Oh man, you can't imagine how fucking bad this thing is.
I put it in the bottom, I think I'll push it back.
Fuck. Oh. Oh. Oh man, this thing's gonna shorten my lifespan. It's fucking disgusting, like you wouldn't believe. Fuck. Oh, fuck. You'll be the fucking cause of like COVID-20, the way this thing's going. I got to back up. Yeah. Oh man, other than the dash, this seat might be the best part on the car. Ah, more coins.
Yeah.
Ugh, that's not a coin. Ugh, oh man.
Oh, there's something running around there.
Yeah.
Good.
Oh, there's a cockroach. Look, cockroach. Oh, what have we scored?
Raccoon.
Oh, it's only. And that Marty cunt reckons fucking human slime's bad. It's like, oh no, someone left a tissue in me fucking car. Someone used this car as a fucking rat house, man. Like, fuck. Yuck, 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 yuck. Hey!
Any baby rats in there?
Not that I can see yet. The mum probably ate them all before she left. Oh, fucking hell. Man, this is where scabies come from. Here, pinky, pinky, pinkies. I can't hear them. I don't think there's any in there.
Oh, more coinage.
Alright.
We're rich.
Fuck yeah.
Sweet leaf town. The old fiddleneck lizard.
So, automotive archaeology, look at that.
Have
You
to clean it
can't
up
get-
and see what the year is later.
Can't get them anymore. Oh man, remember these things? Fucking in them sherbet fucking packs. Where's all the Macca's chips? So there you go guys, that's Mick's rat's nest. The rats have really had that one. To the point where they can almost keep it. Anyway, that's it. Go make some lunch and shit, and I'll catch you later on. Take it easy.